Igbo. Ekele m no Lolo Nneka Chimezie ni kwa ine wetara n'ọnọdụ Igbo. Interview nke taa so special. No onye me na ihe a. Ihe a wachala ugo. Aso Yoyo, the first lady of IPOB. Onye me na mecha introduce ọbụrụkwa ka eme onwe introduce tupu anyị agaba n'iru. Onye me na wo Odoziakụ
Nnamdi Kanu.
Odoziakụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka me na ọ batara ka ọ bịa gafụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Mgbe kọntaktị asị ka anyị gba ya ajụjụ ọnụ maka na enwere ọtụtụ echiche na-efegharị n'ọtụtụ aha akpọgoro ya. Ka anyị chịkwana ya ka o si na-aba n'iche abụ nwaanyị mabụ nwaanyị beautiful pretty woman like this. Negodo skin abụghị ihe negodo skin ọ dịkwa ka onye ọcha ọ bụ ọgwa anyị nwere anyị mago ekele mbọsị Saturday ike bụ Chineke ndị abụ ndị ekele mbọsị ụka so ọnya bụ nwunye Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and kemgbe 2015 si date nwaanyị izubeghị ike ọ bụla godo mgbe Maazị nọ outside anyị na-afụ na ọ na-eme mgbe na-eme travel but nye aka jidesie enwere ọtụtụ aha gbawara m ndị ka obi dịka mmadụ akpọgasị ya na ọtụtụ ihe ọ ga-eji aka kpọrọ anyị ihe ọ gabiga goro na ka o si na-eke okwu na ka o sikwa na-agba Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ume anyị believe na ihe anyị na-eme otekwe na ihe anyị na-eme n'ọnọdụ Igbo anyị abụ agba touch afọ ụzọ akọcha anyị abịa nyepụta nke bụ eziokwu wee nye ụnụ Lolo nọ biko kọwara ndị Igbo afa gị.
Ndewo Lolo imeela Igbo bụ Igbo ndewo nọ aha mbụ Nwaada Uche Chideme anyanwụ ụtụtụ okwu Kanu abụ m nwunye Maazị Nnamdi Kanu.
Nọ rinne Lolo biko kedu ka isi wee mata Maazị?
That was 2000.
Wow.
No, I got no yeah, buffy. Yeah. But she has a trophy.
Wow. Love at first sight.
Yes.
The attraction.
So I got on no. So now go na from our bus stop. So only soon now. So just na atro also. Masa na me bon like. So ya na semo amorigina alabike. Masa na na mo boda. Ya sem I can really cook benya na masa no ụzọ na atro ihe. So I got na when all my name na da sem you when can some Nazo, I'm saying on our choice. So, yeah, I see number time to my mother, my EB on our choice. I'm also like that. So, some but I'm not to strangers. So, only trying to from my mom, eating some song. So, because I can't see more short thoughts, yeah. So, she's also go or those room like that. So, yeah, but I pack yes, but I'm on our choice. Mama said, need a that maybe she, Mama said, they look to Mama, I'm not chosen. I'm saying, that's I need to be bound before. So, thank you, online. Then, yeah, my mom, that's. And we met the next day. Yeah, I don't know why. That same day, I went on about him.
Okay.
And then when he came to my house the next morning, the same if I'm now around Houti, I don't know why.
Wow.
So I don't know if I kiss no yet.
Okay. So I want to see any kuto taba about your office. The rest of the history. No, can you get in there, Manchester Law?
I Loro 2009 December.
Okay.
19th December 2009. Although on that day, it was weekend. And in Amazon the camera. I just matter any masara email Afra ID card, plate numbers, or make it when I continue with have. So my son had that now. No was that so I think that was what tipped off was weekend. Was it having our traditional marriage day? Yeah, we were boys. I never do Mazen.
Wow.
Maybe share everything. Although I'm not in that, but the traditional marriage, no, maybe she. So I don't know who I'm going to say. Now traditional marriage didn't hold. So kama yawa kwani wazibike hizi kwa ruzi si au na mazi abia the kind of the mayor kama mwenye kwa miha
o maybe ma teacher no egwuregwu na
maybe so have maybe share everything so na dima so the bomb maybe share ha not talk about so that akwo obisi so ha ko obisi
alo no ga na abanya nya ma wa me
so so I got that day.
Okay, so the struggle 2014 on my videos by no one, but I think I've been around the struggle from WhatsApp to forming IPOB. Good. Can you remember the arrest?
I think I was arrested a few times before that 2015.
Wow, really?
Even came here, I mean, he was traveling back. I mean, arrested at airport, Bucha. Biafra retaliation.
Yeah, I can't come from that paper. Oh, but you'll be an hour like this and say photo. Yeah, I think I said, okay, you kind of detail from the 2015. Wow.
So that meant that from that then 2015.
But in okay. I think from that 2015, got 20 my videos so yeah. I didn't get on that support. Like I said, yes. I believe in the struggle. I brought a member of IPOB, but I believed in the struggle because from 2015 the IPOB struggle became a movement. Or was the IPOB thing, yes, it became a movement. I didn't know a movement. Okay, now during that period, wow.
I got 8 months.
Wow.
So I got that was October 14th. When I from because I Nga na liba 30 minutes, 45 minutes before. Muto mumbe. So only chibo ya dere muzi. Se me go to ebola abo. So na atika na mo ebola abo.
Okay, chief, ọ ga-akwari gị na phone.
Okay, my hair. So also my ebola abo. Mas ya ebola abo because mama bo ba na ma.
Yeah,
Taka na give to me. I think I'm 30 45 minutes now. Mas ya out. And then alone. In all of this alone, now alone. So
ịma na onye ọbụla contribute go quote nke ya onye kọrọ nke ya ka so for this is your yeah woman
yes.
So for you to pass through this alone, I remembered when the more for came to the morning and 3 months. So my husband has to be there, give me water, give me this, help me to bed. So I can imagine I didn't get on there because I didn't make and why not like petting and touching and stuff like that. So you face this alone, not just that of one I did come on, I can't.
Yes.
And then the trauma, how did you cope?
Towards midnight, in December, my mom came. My mom got into that time, so she came to go through that process with me. But before she came, to cope, every war, like you constantly at war. You're constantly at war spiritually. You're constantly at war psychologically. You know, at war. Now, my government, there is war everywhere. So, and some people will literally keep on doing for such things. So, I will not. I'm not mad. I wouldn't be here today. I want to female.
Wow, I can imagine.
Because the
because it was a troublesome pregnancy.
Trauma, absolutely.
Yeah, because one question why you did after 3 months, you get after the first trimester, you're free. And for you to go through that,
then there was the issue of the lawyer as well. We needed to give him feedback as
okay, let's talk about the lawyer now. Where did the arrangement of the lawyer and what to case like because I not know you know when them as Nnamdi Kanu. But know what I hear in terms of lawyer they represent and lawyer they represent. And I know when this vibrant, very intelligent, smart lawyer we find it for no go when he keep trouble. Because these are the things I get in the air. I want to find it for all manner of unprintable names, which I'm totally against. They struggle, I internal this struggle together, we make a contribution. Rather than attacking ourselves, insulting ourselves, I think we should be working together and encouraging one another. Now I also know that Barr Ejiofor was representing IPOB on problem. So for somebody like this, and I'm not going for the sake of your husband, when you keep throw more light on your financial coming, your relationship, because you're like accused. Like in so madness, I feel so bad. So just record with the question I'm asking you, your relationship with Tiffany, why you brought Tiffany, why you were being attacked by some members of Carlos family. As a family question, each now fight together. At least I'm that is this IPOB on the other side, but as a family, if I together cooperating with IPOB to make sure that it is a man. Please can you throw more light so that Kanu from your own side?
Thank you, Lolo. The very first day, but it's the first time I became actually much. Oh my god. These are ad hominems. I call them ad hominems because people can project their shame and pain and disappointment through a certain channel. Barr Ejiofor came in through my father. My father, Dr. Barr Ejiofor. And why did he do that? Because the then deputy leader of IPOB, Mazi Uchemefo, but his friend, I have all better to represent him. So it's not going to represent him on pro bono as well. So, but by that time, my mother-in-law, another lawyer. So, more, I like teamwork. Yeah. I like togetherness. So when they did Uchemefo lawyer, so can't get Chile. So can meet in Abuja. And then a lawyer, only do that already. Na court. And lawyer only do bail when they took him. So that's Ebule got on into the so only this year now because of his rich his wife. So I'm saying okay, so Ebule, since Ebule is there already, or better we'll meet with him. So can my mother-in-law so the more lawyer I want, the better for us. The sweeter the glory. So and that was it. Met each other. Some I know better I went to see Onyindu, who can't do. Then the first phone call Onyindu was to me, saying no better I'm not going here Oginzi. But I gave her a phone. So let me try to after some time, what better I'm drawer better keep on see no snowing need is no need them. Open us na Jesus Natalia. Must not your email, send open another email and send it to me. So if I open a outside, I'm working that feeling out so starting person now at the court speaks the conversation. So begging my dad says something is wrong. I'm sorry, down here because Obimba only one email Obi and I'm as weak meaning and I'll manage to get the manner and I'm a child for the Mbiazina nihe na-achọrọ ihe ndị ahụ ma na-ekwu na ha dị mma so o beta ahụ ya ọsị nọ na-aga na ya na-agụ nwa ahịa maka ya ga hụ nne di m ha ọsị na agbakwa ha na ya na-abịa aghọta m what all of that was about but ihe mecha gacha agbakwa m ihe ọ gatara ọ ọzi okwede nye m report he just stopped so na-achọ ya ihe kwesịrị izi izi ime ya kedu maka di m ị ga-ahụ di m na nwe ihe na-agwa achọrọ m ịma na ha dị di m mma mana ndị ọzọ anyị meeting after meeting mefa ndị ha di m is dying na ha there I can see him he is not well kedu ihe ị na-agata ihe m ga-ahụ next na ọ ga-ahụcha ọpụta o tinye kamera that man is doing well he's sleeping on a mattress not like NBC water he's doing well nke gbara mara mgbe ọ takwa okwu ihe okwu na na-ekwu that his client adịrọ guilty ara masị ada n'ishi na n'iritu na kesa n'iritu na kesa mara na ọnwụ na gị mere ihe ọ ya nsị ma fara gachọta onye nke m na-ekwuru alaki mmụọ m anabata nke so ya ga-ahụ Barr Ejiofor nọ na ọfịs Barr Ejiofor pọm were fon nye Barr Ejiofor mana Barr Ejiofor ekwucha masị ma fara that na m dị okay this one so let's move with him ọ ya Maazị Nnamdi onye nke anaghị eme feedback so agbachiche everywhere ka nzedi mozi a na-ekwe nzedi mozi nwaanyị dị ime ụfọdụ na-akpọ m na fon ewere nọmba m ke kasị aha akpọ m na
kedu ndị na-blọk gị
ụmụnne di m na ụmụnne di m mụ na ha enweghị problem mụ na ha adịghị ese okwu enweghị nsogbu mụ na ha nwere ebe machi chọrọ ha okwu
well they just want you to be very much involved
absolutely so ha agbachiche everywhere enwere leta m dere nye my father onye di m mbọchị akpọ di m n'aka ọsọ nne di m anaghị aga asa ana eme ya di m ka ha were anaghị agụ ya so not more part of the family from one outsider. But all I wanted is my husband to come back and I have it. I'm pregnant. So that was all I wanted. Nothing more, nothing less. So I know about her. Barr Ejiofor asked only the power of attorney from me and ID card for indemnity submission. Ma send her in that hoya. I released the number Barr Ejiofor na Now I done that fault. I done it nearly fought my father. Na court because of that. The way I got it to know. No better I don't know. Master, better I will not defend my husband. Better I will not defend him. Barr Ejiofor will defend him, and that is
because he's not giving you feedback.
He doesn't give me feedback. Or not say that Nnamdi Kanu did not do something wrong. All he's saying is that and you're lying. Now you've gone to see me. So immediately hang on Barr Ejiofor. They now run. Better one day DSS. That now every time I think they called him saying no Ejiofor because Barr Ejiofor is dogged.
Of course.
He is strong. So spiritually and fearless. So immediately you know that Barr Ejiofor taking over that he has power of attorney. Because my power of attorney supersedes
of course, it doesn't matter what nest of kin.
It doesn't matter what
you are the first nest of kin.
Things of it. So that's how the law works, unfortunately. So Barr Ejiofor Aga. So immediately hand Barr Ejiofor taking over. Was him as Nnamdi Kanu to court. Then that was 20th of December 2015 when he came to court alone. With just a few members of his family, his mom and his few sisters. Okay, that was how this whole thing started. And then there was this Anna. Somebody put on a video. Nnamdi Cancer. Because of that, Nnamdi Cancer to IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu.
Who says that?
So his name is Master Prophet. I think Yami or something like that. Yami.
Wow.
Yami.
Because me involved in here,
yes, so and just this man disrespected himself because they're badly raised. So they don't disrespect me, they disrespect themselves. And I took on. Then there was a newspaper they released. So Uchemefo, one media man at Kingsley, not Germany. Yes, I didn't know him as Kanata. Kingsley Kamaya asked. All of them. In fact, but all have couldn't those names. So a paper that they have disowned me. That they themselves, they've disowned me. So Kanu's family, they may not disown, and that IPOB as well has also disowned me. Now the issue of no one getting
while your husband was in prison.
While I was pregnant.
Because you've got a good lawyer. While you're pregnant, do they even think about the trauma?
Pregnant. Let's assume I wasn't pregnant. That would have been a little bit, but I was pregnant, and it was more like I talk with that female or something like that. And the pain. If I was not a spiritual person that can see farther ahead, I probably would have died because he got locked. So, but because you locked me physically, but I can see behind the physical part of what you're locking, I'm a bit calm. So because this is what actually is going on. So as not just my so that was what happened. Barr Ejiofor fought. And then I got that small man, the son. And then the competition and there is constant chaos, constant energy that
from where?
From Umunedim.
Wow.
From Umunedim is not.
Wow. So be done with that.
So this whole thing started 2015. So if my hand, I'm not Barr Ejiofor, he is an uncle of mine to get upon himself. When I did that, I'm not Barr Ejiofor or anyone else. However you see, not something may not happen to you today, but you gotta check the trajectory of your life. Ever since what is going on with you. So the sort of things you would say. So they started. I knew said with people like you. It's so all the dots, dirt. And somebody now vomits dots.
That's what I'm fighting.
No. Somebody spews dirt. So, but why is the person spewing that dirt? It's their sphere. It's where they grew up. So I'm not upset. So in the channel, I'm okay. However they want to call me. They are projecting their shame. They must have encountered something in the past that broke them to now come to me with that sort of name. So, and I thank God for my transformation and everything. I'm a transformative life coach. I coach on consciousness and and kind of living to the glory of God. So I understand people's pain and wherever they're coming from. So Barr Ejiofor took over Mazi Apota. When Mazi was also moved from DSS to Kuje, that was some glory, you know. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu eventually, you know, that bail things were going on fine, and then Operation Python dance as well. So I think that's the short hint on the lawyer.
Okay. Now, like now, when Ejiofor eventually won the case, I believe that there should be some sort of relief. I want to interest maybe I assume he hadn't sure of what Ejiofor could do. Now, more particular. We're able to be at least happy with Ejiofor. And can never get and say a good lawyer.
There was no such thing. There is this hatred towards Barr Ejiofor, especially from Kingston.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
I had the money. Sorry. I know Bamba. I know siblings, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Odika, not how I Odika. So which means he had to them between 2015, wait, till this. So now this animosity. You wanted to say something about the kind of hatred they had for Barr Ejiofor.
Yes. So that hatred, the fact now, I think the fact that Barr Ejiofor.
Okay, the hatred.
I think so because Barr Ejiofor didn't do anything wrong, and then maybe he can't be controlled. I think Barr Ejiofor winning millions as well.
Exactly, he can't be controlled.
So when you work with sincerity of purpose, I don't think anybody can push you around because you know your purpose and you know what is right. So somebody not actually debates it from you stay your course, and I think that's what the problem is because I don't see any issue anywhere, any problem.
Okay, can you hear with the relationship between Barr Ejiofor and IPOB?
I think from the wings, and Barr Ejiofor by himself would go and free people from incarceration.
As IPOB members?
Yes.
Wow.
And he was doing that before he even came into IPOB. This is one of the things he told my dad. So my dad didn't meet you. Yes, my dad then he released it.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Without celebrating it. Silently. Oh my goodness.
You know, so Chineke, my dad was that's the person we need. Person with good heart.
Really, it will go already.
At all cost. So when it comes to doing with lawyers and everything, IPOB is everything comes from IPOB.
Wow.
Okay. So that is that's how.
Okay, now the relationship again with after Potazi, did it get better? Did his brothers so if I Ejiofor? When we say eventually only had thank God I'm not going to talk was there a time had that show that kind of remorse and then acceptance?
Things actually got worse. In fact, not that I did not even stranger. So I have to say this because I'm watching Kitty sometimes, you know, when Onyem was released and I went home, so there was this thing I knew that I would not only do and I got poison them. And I would poison them. I'm eating them, Nnamdi Kanu. So I never pictured my mother-in-law. So every Sunday they stationed. So every Sunday they stationed in the kitchen. I know my so it was one point, one eating. You don't understand rice outside. No. Yeah, I was so that I was working with DOS, and so even though that the DOS then that time Mazda no problem with them, but that problem also stemmed from coming in.
But is it Ejiofor?
Yes.
Okay.
So they supported Barr Ejiofor to take over the case because Obeta was not delivering. Okay.
Wow.
That was what happened.
Wow.
So and that was where the name Delilah came from. So I'm with Delilah name saved from Samson. So
now, I'm his wife, not just his wife, never really me. Emma, now leave, we won't tell why I got to we never that fear of but I'm why that I did not give to him. I mean, they should know that this family is being formed. But I want to make so even at that, I treat it as an outsider. Now, was it born out of love for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or hatred? Because I'm seeing jealousy here. Because if you ask me, I got me when they let's say I'm feeling them when I get defend one them, I better think him. Eventually, I put a lawyer also. I didn't have one about one man. And when the man put they defend their gallantly one. This way, a man free of charge, and yet I used to move one two. One expect that all not out of love. Can I never I feel the competent. Now you question embrace when you can't now, all not out of love.
Absolutely. That is what he would do because he got that now only interest on her heart. So not about it, our bar from up to now. No. That didn't happen. In fact, even Madananya.
Exactly.
You win so Onya Honogananya. Then I chima to she is no longer. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Munia Dime is still that passing out me and Nina. And near me, Mother Nature to say, Mother Hoganana, or me, he, Omogi, or any mixture how do. Some poor how a bit slander. Mamma Jana, Simon Eppa, which you did very good job. Because our first time on your video, you didn't that now. Now, why if you been the Matina buy? No, Simon Eppa, boys, I don't make me and I reading one man getting a minute time with the video. So I'm done a review a few times when I don't Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Again, wouldn't they boom? It's all even that moon. Unwa bundibo. You will attend the Bunebu. Some number one woman's not the kind of game around. You step back from here, and you're not the partner. You will remember IPOB. Because I'm going to read you a few times. School fees are not became that comes from Ninnayana. Okay? and upkeep by was stopped
Wow.
by Kingston. So man ajụ
By Kalunta.
so m na-ajụ ihu Nnamdi n'anya anya ka ị ga-eme
Ọ nọkwa na nga.
Ọ nọ na nga.
Wow.
Okay, so
It's getting
I
interesting.
don't think that there is love here. That's all I can say.
Now,